Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Dr. Subhasis Tripathi, My Knowledge, My Skill. The sole purpose of this channel is education, motivation and inspiration. The main objective of this channel is to share creative knowledge and skill with you. So, in this channel you would find lot of video regarding inspiration, motivation, knowledgeous and skillful idea and thought, personality development, spoken English, academic lesson for health science, and of course you will find cool entertainment. There is something for everybody around the world. Today I wanna just share the tips regarding job interview. The basic concept of job interview is planning and how you can prepare for the job interview. Hope that this video would helpful for you for upcoming job interview. Let's begin the lesson for job interview, its common tips and tricks. Let's start. How to face an interview? I have seen many students toil so hard in their study, shed blood, sweat and tears during their academic study, and at the end of their study, what they want is a job. Many students constantly score 70-80% mark throughout their academic career, but during the interview, they completely collapse. They don't know how to face the interview, how to face the question of the interviewer. If you are just called for an interview, then congratulations. But now what? Now what you have to do? Do your homework for the job interview. An invitation for the interviewer shows that on paper you are the right candidate required by the organization for the vacant position. Now what you have to do is stand out from the rest. Be yourself. Be honest. Be yourself. Be honest and know where the interview will take place. Know whether it would be a telephonic, whether it would be conducted online by Skype or face-to-face interview, and prepare according to that. How many vacant positions are there is play a key role for the job interview. So always keep an eye how many vacant positions are there, and then what the company profile and what type of candidates they are looking for, and what are the position, how much salary they are going to pay. People say that your eye is the window of your soul. Similarly, your CV, your resume is the window of your education, your personality and your skill. 80% of candidates are rejected at the application stage. So, make your resume unique. If possible, make it animated and colorful. Take the help of professional people for the preparation of your CV. Be honest on your approach. Highlight your strong points and warp your weak points, and also indicate that you are trying and striving hard to fix your problem. Work experience and reference are also very vital and key points for the preparation of your CV. Believe that you are the best candidate for the interview. If you could not believe that you are the best candidate for the job interview, then how you can make the interviewer believe that you are the right candidate for the particular job or the desired job. So first of all, self-belief is important, and then you can justify your interview that you are the best. Before attending any job interview, do extensive research of the company. Do a Google search of the company, review the company website and read over the company's profile, their annual profit and loss, their competitor. Collect information from social media and YouTube, their work ethics and legal dispute of various government agencies. The company rank in global index. If possible, this type of extensive research work can save your time and money, because this extensive research of the interview give you valuable information about the company. You are asked for the interview. Congratulations. But be careful for your appearance. Your appearance and your smartness always count during the face-to-face job interview. You would never get second chance to change your first impression. So arrive the interview in proper time. Always wear neat and clean formal dress for job interview. Body language like handshake, body posture, eye contact is also necessary during face-to-face job interview. Be ready to sell yourself. Dress appropriately and professionally for the interview. If you have a contact who works for the employer, ask them about the general dress code for the interview. Show yourself neat and groomed with proper document. Be calm and stay focused. Be professional but humble and always smile. And be confident and feel confident. Training is necessary to accumulate any knowledge and skill. For job interview, train your body and mind for the interview. Improve your communication skill. Stand before a mirror and talk to yourself. Pretend that you are talking to the interviewer. Talk to yourself how you can improve yourself. Invest a little bit time in who would be interviewing, what is his personality, what type of candidate the delegates are looking for. Train according to their personality of the delegates. Prepare for a mock interview, group discussion with your friends, your family. Anticipate question you might be asked. The general or the common questions that may come in an interview are: can you tell me about yourself? What do you know about the company? Can you describe your work style? What do you consider to be your greatest strength? What do you consider to be your worst weakness? Where do you want to see yourself in next 5 years? Do you have any question for us? Are you willing to relocate? Why should you hire you? And also be prepared to ask relevant questions by yourself for the job interviewer. Always be active in a job interview. Study the body language of the interviewer. Thanks the interviewer for his or her times. Ask for the feedback if necessary. If you select the interview, kindly join the interview as soon as possible. If not, then good luck for the next interview. Sort out your weakness and try to fix the problem as soon as possible. Failure in a job interview don't mean that it is the end of the world. Always remember, luck can favor you couple of times, but your knowledge and your skill will favor you every time when you face a challenge in your life. Hope that you are ready for the interview. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Love you all. Thank you. See you. Thanks. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share. If you dislike this video, please comment. If you find it interesting, please subscribe and help me to help you. Thanks.